Okay, as you can tell, I got bangs. Well, I gave them to myself actually. But yeah, so we're just gonna jump on into this. I'm gonna be doing a full get ready with me. I'm gonna be jumping ahead on some parts just because they're the same thing every single time, but I'm doing this really fun, cool blue smoky eye. So I saw this on at Katie, and I'll put the picture like here, and I loved it. Obviously I don't have the same makeup. I probably have some bits of it, but I'm just kind of following the photo and putting my own twist on it and using some of the products I have. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump on into this. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm going to be using this Smashbox primer, and I got this in a kit of 3. There was this one, a purple one, and some like spray. So we're just going to rub this all over our skin. So now our primer is on, and that's going to settle into our skin while we start doing our eyes. So first off, I'm going to take this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser for dark circles. And I'm just going to apply this all over my eyes. Comes that in with my beauty blender. So now I'm just going to set that in place with this Shade in Light Contour Kit by Kat Von D. I'm just going to take this, I'm just going to take this combination here. So first I'm going to start off with my 35O palette, and I'm just going to create a nice soft transitional base that has a little bit of warm browns to the crease, just so when we put the blue on it doesn't look like straight blue and like I'm going to some sort of calm thing. So I'm just going to mix a little bit this brown and this warmer brown here, and just starting to work that into my crease and up softly into my brow bone. So I'm just going to pick up some more as I go, because I do want this to have a really big payoff, but I still want it to look very buff into my eye. Because we're going to be using some really warm and deep browns later, I really want this to just whoosh, if you get what I mean. So I'm just going to pick up a little bit of this deeper brown here and work that in. So it's kind of just not a guessing game, but you just want to go until you feel comfortable with how blended out it is, and until you feel like the blue will still shine and still pop through, but it won't be like so shocker. So I'm just going to take a clean brush, just kind of buff out the tops of this shadow. I'm going to take this cool tone brown here and this one on top. I'm just going to start to buff that into that lash. Kind of create that C shape you got going on. And I'm really looking down into my mirror and getting it right in between where it like hits up and you look up. So because this is a going out look, we do want this to be extra deep and sultry. Alright, I think it's time for the blue. Very exciting. So I'm going to be using my trusty 35B palette, and oh wow, look at those colors. So I'm going to be using this shimmery blue shade at the top. You can use any sort of blue. I just wanted it to be a very bright teal color just to match Katie's look. And we're actually going to be taking that on a synthetic. This one's a double-ended one, and this one's by Morphe. This is the A59, I believe it says. So we're just gonna be picking this up. I'm gonna dampen my brush with a little bit of setting spray, and then we're gonna pick it up. This is the Urban Decay De-Slick setting spray. And this will just help dampen it. If you have, I think I tried using some of the Elnett Duraline drops and it did not work for me. So we're just going to be swiping the brush through it and get this beautiful pigment. And we're just going to be tapping it into our eye. You don't want to go too far, so remember to keep opening and closing your eye. Or what I do is I just leave it open when I'm applying it and go to the crease where I know where my eye like hits. So, and then going closer into that inner part, I'm laying the brush really flat and keeping it on top of my eyes, so I'm not going down, I'm going a swiping motion here. So it keeps it really neat and really tight on top of that eye. So I go until like right about here, and then I kind of do some swipes at the back of my brush because we're going to be blending that brown shade into this, so I don't want it to be like too nuts. So now we're just going to take our brush that we use the brown on. We're going to take this warmer shade brown here, tap off the excess, and just kind of blend that into the blue. Only a little bit because we just want it to have a very blended look. You don't want to add any brown to the blue really. Oh yeah. Bare eye before. After. Right, now I'm going to do the other eye and I shall be right back. And then, you know, move on to the next step. So, ready? Cool beans. These are done. Alright, now we're just gonna add some mascara and then we're gonna do my hair actually. So today I'm gonna be using the Telescopic Carbon Black Mascara by L'Oreal. And while my lashes are set in place, I'm gonna take that original brush that I was using for the browns and smoke out this lower lash line. So now I'm just gonna apply some lashes. These are the Ardel Double Wispy ones. Alright, and now let's move on to lips. Ooh. So I'm going to be taking this Colourpop lippie pencil in the shade Peeper. And then we're going to fill it in with the Tartist lip paint in Birthday Suit. Alright, so we're going to use two different things for our hair today. These are both from Influenster, and we're going to be using this Pravana NEVO Intense Therapy Leave-In Treatment. So we're going to use this. We're going to spritz this in the bottom portions of our hair. This is great because it's great for heat therapy and it detangles. It smells like you've just walked into a salon. So this is great because my hair always tangles. And it's going to make it look really silky. I can feel it. So this is great because then I don't have to worry about my hair getting naughty throughout the day. Since it's winter, it can usually get like really like windswept, and it doesn't matter look cute. So it's perfect. It smells freaking amazing. So yeah, it just protects thermal styling, repairs split ends, and smooths irritated skin, which is great. Especially since now I have all this fringe going on. And then some more help that we're going to use is this L'Oreal Paris Elnett Satin Hairspray. This is the extra strong hold. It works amazing. It has a really fine mist, so you don't even feel like it's like crunching up your hair. So I'm just going to add a little bit on the bang here. Just using my fine tooth comb, just kind of run over this. And this keeps everything literally in place. No flyaways or anything. It's fantastic. It's a very fine mist, so you don't feel like you're being like camel spit on. It's beautiful. Just gonna add a little bit to this front section here. Brush it down. Posted a picture with this on my Instagram, and it's a wonderful hairspray. It's amazing. So I actually got these products for free from Influenster to try them out and see how I like them and tell them to you guys and other people around the world. So if you do like it or you try it out, let me know. I'd really like to hear your thoughts. I love both of these so far. I got another whole package from this beauty box of winter hair woes, so I'm definitely going to be trying those out in the coming few weeks here, as well as I'm going to be taking some of them to Europe, so I can let you know on the way on how I like those too. So yeah, this my hair looking so cute. Yes, so this is the finished makeup look, guys. I really hope you did enjoy it. I love this blue, and I actually really like it with my bangs. I think is a winner, especially with this lip. It's kind of got that mauve but still a pop, and especially in these winter months when everything's seeming really dreary, and especially on the East Coast, I think it's gonna look really I love this pop of color to just brighten everything up. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and kind of this chit chat hair. Full ready, get ready with me. Does that make sense? I don't know. Without further ado, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye! I still can't touch it. So cute.